Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use the read aloud feature of Google Chrome. So let's dive in to the demonstration. This is the page I am using for the demonstration. I got to this page by doing this Google search. I have opened the first link here in this tab. To use the read aloud feature of Google Chrome, go to the reading mode and you will be able to listen to the content here by using this button here.
Tag, Articles, Launch of the Open Access button.
You just saw a highlight was moving when it was reading the content and there were two buttons here. Those buttons was for moving the highlight according to your needs. You can adjust the speed, the audio or the voice and the highlight settings from here. Now, as of recording this video, this feature is an experimental flag. So go to the experimental flags page and search for reading mode. You will get these two flags here. For each of them, just change this setting from default to enabled. And then you will get this relaunch button. Press this button in order to save the changes you have made in this page. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.